In this video of Copilot for DevOps Plus, we will be focusing on the dynamic prompts functionality. In dynamic prompts, which you can access by scrolling to the bottom, you can provide a list of work items as your input and engineer your own prompts to execute against those work items. These prompts include parsing data within the work items, analyzing the data within the work items, or any set of instructions that you want to have executed. Dynamic prompts ultimately can carry out any task you wish given the correct prompt is used. Here, we can select our work items in the form of a query. We can also enter our own custom instructions and feed that into Copilot for DevOps. So in this instance, we would like to have our requirements categorized based on type, and get dynamic prompts to sort them based on priority. Here you can select the fields that you'd like to provide as input from your query. Go ahead and generate your results by clicking on Generate. So Copilot has tabulated our results, sorting them based on priority and classified these requirements based on type. You can copy this table and share it externally. You also have the ability to save your prompts so that you can reuse them for a future purpose. So this concludes our tutorial for the dynamic prompt functionality. Be sure to check out all of our other videos that we have on Copilot for DevOps.